Hello, my tarot beautiful people. Here I am presenting to you a very gorgeous, cute, quirky oracle deck, Signs of the Times Oracle by Crystal Banner. This deck is so cute and has very colorful pictures, but what I like about this deck is the theme, which usually says that universe is always communicating with us through a lot of coincidences and lot of by chance, and if we know how to listen. So there are a lot of signs other than crystals and angelic numbers and feathers, but leaving those normal things, also there is a lot of magic and meaning in the mundane life. So, this oracle deck is a reminder to observe those tiny details, observe those small signs and symbols that we encounter on a daily basis but do not work on it. So, let's observe this beautiful deck. Okay, comes in a very sturdy hard box with a cute little guidebook. I think this guidebook is very apt, has to the point meanings. All right, and explains everything, has its own spread, a couple of spreads which I really like, and is giving proper information about what the signs are and how they are supposed to be interpreted. So let's observe this gorgeous deck. I really like the small guidebook. It's good. It has enough information about all the cards. Let's begin. Okay, so this is the table contents of the cards. Okay, so here we start. So this is basically the introduction of the deck, what the author is asking you to observe and how the readings have to be. I really enjoyed the theme of the deck. Okay, so here are a couple of card spreads that we will do probably together. So we have 3 card spread, we have give me the sign spread. I think this will be a good spread. Looks good as of now. Okay, so let's begin. Let's open this gorgeous deck. Wow, I really enjoy the backing. It's nice, black and white. Good. I really like the cardstock as well. It's quite okay. It's not that thin. Okay, will be very easy to shuffle. The cards are quite big. So if you have small hands, probably that will be an issue. But nonetheless, let's start and let's dive into the deck. I will shut my mouth now and will let you work on the cards in peace. Okay, so I guess we are ready to observe the cards. So just have a look at the bright colors. I really like the colorful oracle decks. The flamingos. What is nice about it is, so there is the name of the card and then there is a fun one word oracle as well. So yield is for protection, yin yang is for balance. So even if you don't have time to read the whole guidebook, you know what the card is all about. So this is something which is really unique in this deck. But that doesn't mean we are going to skip the guidebook. We are going to read the guidebook. But just in case, you need that a little nudge, a little hint to understand the deck better, this one verse will come a lot handy. I really like this deck. 1111. Nice way of reminding keys are for opportunities. Mirror is for reflection. Of course, moon is for emotions. Crown. Power. Nice. Sunflower action. Not means relationships. Nice. Bees. Good. Cyclones. Lightning. Good. Identity. Firefly. How sweet. Nice. So gorgeous deck with a beautiful back. Let's see. Cards are easy to shuffle if you know how to shuffle. So if we are doing an open shuffle, then also the cards are good and handy. And if you are doing it normal card shuffle, poker shuffle, then also it's fine. So I think that's not a problem, but the deck is absolutely stunning, gorgeous. If you want this deck, then please use the link I have given in the description.